Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. Hello friends, welcome back to Foziki Alfaz. In this video, we will discuss 11th and 12th May most important one-liner current affair. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Pondicherry has become the Har Ghar Jal union territory by ensuring that every rural home gets a household tap connection. Pondicherry has now become the fourth state or UT after Goa, Telangana and Andaman and Nicobar Island to provide assured tap water supply to every rural home. Pondicherry Chief Minister N. Rangaswamy, Lieutenant Governor Tamilisai Soundarajan. The COVID-19 variant spreading in India, which is facing an explosive outbreak, appears to be more contagious and has been classified as being of concern. The UN Health Agency said that B.1.617 variant of COVID-19 first found in India last October seemed to be transmitting more easily than the original version of the virus and might possibly have some increased resistance to vaccine protections. Jishnu Barua, Chief Secretary, Assam, launched a real-time digital flood reporting and information management system. Assam CM Himanta Biswa Sarma. In tennis, Arena Sabalenka defeated the world number 1 Ashleigh Barty to win the Madrid Open for the first time on 9th May 2021. Nepalese climber Kami Rita scaled Mount Everest for the 25th time. He broke his own record for the most ascents of the world's highest peak. The Department of Expenditure has released an amount of Rs 8,923.8 crore in advance to 25 states for providing grants for the rural local bodies because of the coronavirus pandemic. The amount in the first installment of the United Grants for the year 2021 to 22. The Central Board of Indirect Tax and Customs on Saturday allowed businesses to import and export goods without furnished bonds to the customs authorities until June, and a move aimed at ensuring no delay or disruptions in EXIM trade due to COVID-19. Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs Chairperson M. Ajit Kumar, elected officer responsible Nirmala Sitharaman, Finance Minister of India, founded 1st January 1964, headquarters New Delhi. The German tennis player and the world number 6 Alexander Zverev continued his sensational form and won his second Madrid Open title. He also lifted his fourth ATP Masters 1000 trophy. BioNTech plans to set up a regional headquarters and build a new manufacturing site for its vaccine based on messenger RNA technology in Singapore. NASA's OSIRIS-REx spacecraft began its historic 2-year mission back to Earth after collecting sample from asteroid Bennu. This is NASA's first asteroid sample return mission, and it carries a generous amount of rubble collection from the near-Earth asteroid. In recent news, NASA's first Mars helicopter has a name now, and the credit goes to 17-year-old Indian origin girl Vanija Rupani. NASA's headquarters Washington DC, formation July 29, 1958. Preceding agency National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics. Delhi Police has launched a COVID Van helpline number, a unique initiative aimed at providing assistance to senior citizens who are struggling with their essential needs amid the COVID-19 crisis. South District Police of the National Capital has launched a COVID Van helpline for senior citizens in the neighborhood aimed the coronavirus situation here, keeping in view the safety and security of the senior citizens. A retired IIS officer with a long stint in All India Radio, Bangalore, V.S. Suryanarayan passed away in May 2021. Microblogging giant Twitter has donated $15 million to help address the COVID-19 crisis in India. Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey, founded 21st March 2006, headquarters San Francisco, California. Launched July 15, 2006. Founders Jack Dorsey, Evan Williams, Wheatstone, Noah Glass. Lewis Hamilton came up with another stunning performance as he beat Max Verstappen in a thrilling race in Barcelona to win the Spanish Grand Prix. Hamilton, who had sealed his 100th pole, has won the race in Barcelona 5 times on the bounce to equal Michael Schumacher's record at the Spanish GP. A total of 1.48 crore olive Bradley turtles hatched at the Gahirmatha beach in Odisha's Kendrapara district. The island of Gahirmatha is witnessing the unique natural phenomenon in which baby turtles take birth without their mothers. Odisha CM Naveen Patnaik, Governor Ganeshi Lal. The first Revenue Minister of Kerala and JSS leader K.R. Gauri Amma passed away at a hospital in Thiruvananthapuram where she was admitted due to age-related ailments. She was 102. She served as Revenue Minister in the first EMS Nambodirappa government and introduced the Revolutionary Land Reform Bill in 1957. So this is all about today's video. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next video. Take care and Jai Hind. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest update.